Malaki daw RAM at madami daw storage, pero ang bagal agad, 108 megapixels daw. Pero ang labo naman. Bakit hindi sumusunod yung mga phone manufacturers sa advertised specs nila? Well, it turns out it's more on your part than it is on their part. On paper specs is not everything. Kaya wag kang maingganyo sa 16 gig extended RAM, 128 gig of storage, at 108 megapixels na camera. If your processor is not good, baliwala din ang lahat ng yan. The processor is the mind of the phone. It processes all the data that comes into your phone, which is then later translated to the real-life performance of a device. That's why some phones excel in performance despite having lower on-paper specs. It's because their processor is already great. Parang ganito lang yan eh. Aanhin mo yung mga magagara mong gamit pang luto. Eh kung di ka naman talaga marunong magluto,